everybody. I wanted to show you the newest project. This is a 1968 Mark II Mini 850. This is what we're going to be working on for the next probably couple years at this point. I bought it from a little old lady over here in town about 5 miles away. She had it sitting in her driveway. This one's in Austin, but somebody put it as a Morris. I don't know why. It's pretty solid. It does need some rust repair, but I think it's going to make a good project. It was originally almond green. I don't know if I'm going to keep it almond green or not. I haven't decided. I'm potentially thinking about doing willow green. But it's got the porcelain green interior. It's got the single bezel. I think it's going to be a fun little project. Could be a headache, but I think it's going to be fun. The engine actually still runs in it. I'm going to upgrade it down here. If you see, I'm going to upgrade it to probably like a 1098. I haven't decided yet, but the engine's complete. It's all there. Runs. But this is going to be the project. We're going to call it Project Simon, because that's what I called it. That's what I named it. And hopefully we can actually see this thing to the finish. You can tell my cats live on it. But yeah, hopefully we can see this thing to the finish. I'm gonna probably get a video out here probably at least once a week on the disassemble of this thing. But yeah, that's it.